How to fix Shopify domain error. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix Shopify domain error. Well, to fix Shopify domain error, first you want to verify your DNS settings with your domain provider, ensuring the A record points to Shopify's IP address and other settings match Shopify's record. If that doesn't work, you can check for specific error messages and follow the instructions provided or reach out to Shopify support for assistance. So you want to ensure your domain's A record points to Shopify's IP address, that is usually 23.22.152.100 or 23.22.152.101. If you are using a subdomain, make sure the CNAME record points to shops.myshopify.com with a period at the end. You can also verify that other DNS settings like CAA, DNSSEC or name server records are correctly configured and match Shopify's requirements. Remove any wildcard DNS records as they can cause conflicts as well. Ensure you don't have domain forwarding setup that might be redirecting your domain away from Shopify. So hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.